In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a follow-up email in Mailchimp. A follow-up is a quick way to resend a message to your audience without rebuilding it from scratch. It's perfect when you want to bump a reminder, give late readers another chance to see your content, or reinforce an important announcement. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can get your follow-up out confidently in just a few clicks. Start by opening Mailchimp and heading to your account dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see the main navigation where you manage audiences, content, and past sends. We'll work from the campaigns area because that's where your original email lives and where we'll create a copy for the follow-up. Click Campaigns to view your list of emails. This page shows all your recent campaigns in one place, along with their statuses and performance. Find the original email you want to follow up on. Using that same campaign as a base keeps your branding, layout, and messaging consistent, which helps readers immediately recognize your message. Click the campaign or email you want to use. Opening it lets you confirm you've selected the right one and gives you access to the actions you need. If you sent this recently, it should appear near the top. If not, you can scan your list to locate it. Make sure it's the exact message you want to replicate so your follow-up stays aligned with your original send. Next, click Replicate. This creates a duplicate of your campaign as a new draft. Replicating is the fastest path to a follow-up because it copies your subject line, content, design, and tracking settings. You don't have to rebuild anything, and you avoid introducing inconsistencies by starting from scratch. You'll now be in the campaign builder for the duplicated draft, ready to confirm who should receive it. In the campaign builder, click the To field. This section controls your recipients and is the most important part of a follow-up. It shows your selected audience and any segments or tags that might be applied. Taking a moment to review the To field helps ensure the message goes to the people you intend and prevents sending to the wrong list. Open the Send to drop-down menu. Here, you can choose how broadly you want to deliver the follow-up. Mailchimp typically offers options like your full audience or specific segments and tags that you've set up previously. For a straightforward resend, choose the option that targets the group you want to reach again. Keeping the selection intentional protects list health and keeps your communication relevant. Select all email subscribers. This will send your follow-up to everyone in that audience. It's useful when the message is universally relevant and you want to maximize reach. If your list includes people who already engaged, sending to all subscribers can still be appropriate for broad reminders or time-sensitive updates. Be aware that this selection includes both people who opened the first message and those who didn't, so your follow-up will land in every subscriber's inbox in that audience. With your recipients set, you're ready to send. Click Send to launch the campaign. Mailchimp may show a confirmation prompt and a quick pre-send checklist. Review what you see on that screen and proceed with the final send. Once you confirm, the follow-up goes out and Mailchimp will begin tracking delivery and engagement just like your original campaign. That's the process from start to finish. Go to Mailchimp, open campaigns, choose the email you want to follow up on, replicate it, set the To field, select all email subscribers from the Send to menu, and send. Replicating keeps your look and message consistent, while the To field ensures you're delivering to the right audience. With these few clicks, you can confidently send a clean, accurate follow-up that reinforces your original message and keeps your audience informed.